Agriculture Minister Floyd Green resigned from the cabinet on Wednesday morning, September 15th.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It is understood that Green met with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and told the Prime Minister that he is sorry for his actions and recognizes his blunder. The Prime Minister was reportedly livid. Green has been engulfed in controversy since a video surfaced on Tuesday evening of him being among a group that breached COVID-19 protocols.
She can do it. Look there. No movement there.
Where's the chief?
Post it tomorrow.
A statement from the Prime Minister said, "This morning I met with Minister Floyd Green and discussed matters relating to a video circulating on social media. At the end of the meeting, it was agreed that Minister Green would not continue in the cabinet. However, it was discussed that there may be other areas in which his expertise could be offered." Mona Division Councillor Andrew Bellamy was also in the video. It is understood that he will be relieved of his duties on all state boards and committees of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. A statement released by Green after his resignation reads as follows. "In 2011, I decided to get involved in representational politics because of a desire to do my part in creating a better Jamaica. It has been a very challenging journey, but I have been extremely blessed to have served as president of Generation 2000 and to be elected on 2 occasions to represent the people of Southwest St. Elizabeth. I have also been given the honor and privilege to serve as State Minister with responsibility for youth, State Minister with responsibility for industry and commerce, and Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries. At every step of the way, I have worked hard. I believe I have conducted myself with dignity, honesty, and discipline. I have remained transparent, above the fray of tribal politics, and have treated every single person I come across with respect. However, today I have disappointed so many. My family, including my son, my Prime Minister, and most importantly, the people of Jamaica who I have sworn to serve. No matter how briefly and regardless of the circumstances, I should never have participated in any engagement that could indicate a lack of appreciation of the difficult and serious realities that now face the entire country. My actions have demonstrated a lack of sensitivity for the difficult realities that all of us are facing currently. It was wrong. I accept that this was an error in judgment and that it sends the wrong signal, especially in light of the government's drive to reduce the spread of COVID-19. For this, I am really and truly very sorry. Therefore, I met this morning with Prime Minister, the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, and indicated that I will withdraw from the cabinet. I will work hard to regain the trust and regard of the Jamaican people, but I remain 100% committed to serve the people of Southwest St. Elizabeth. I can and will promise that this lapse in judgment will never reoccur. Again, I apologize. Promise to in the future do right by the Jamaican people."
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!